everyone, Alex here. We're doing 28 knots straight into the Pacific, going after a 50-meter octopus for the wildest luxury drop you'll ever see. Hold on tight. Look alive forward, keep steady on the rails. Zip me up. Valve open, good to go. 10, 9, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go, go!
Contact, big return, bearing 240, range 240 and closing slow.
I'll stop, have our lights forward, nice and easy, boys.
Jesus, that's
Sharp
huge.
right!
Hold the circle, do not break.
He's gone. Eyes back on task.
Everyone here? Count our fingers.
Surface, Alpha 1. Holy shit. Target is 12 meters across, 3.5 meters thick. Repeat, 1-2 meters mantle, 38 tons. We need clear stern! Clear! He's inside! Pull now! Pull now! Jesus Christ, we actually got it. I've never seen anything like this in my life. Factory next. Woo, this is gonna be insane.
This is it, 6,000 to 8,000 kilos of octopus. We're about to turn this into the wildest luxury drop ever. Stay with me.
Smash subscribe and turn on notifications right now. First 20 new subs get a personal shout out next video, I swear. Let's go!
Ready, lift on 3. Chain is good. 1, 2, 3, lift. Easy, easy, swing it left, left. Okay, lower. Tilt him ready, tilt slow, 30 degrees, 30 degrés, tenez. Dégagez, dégagez, baissez maintenant.
Copy, rolling now.
Muscle blocks to freezer line, cartilage to grinding.
Watch out for the forklift on line 7.
We need more skins on line 12.
Clear this scrap now. We need more skins on line 12, hurry up.
Équipo, tirez doucement, gardez le motif, le client veut la texture complète.
Reçu, on pèle. Regardez le changement de couleur, c'est parfait.
Bloc musculaire 4-20 cm, direction vide.
Line 7, drop speed 2 meters.
Tank 5, drop the arm.
Dropping, contact.
Tank 8, add second enzyme batch.
Viscosity up to 800 centipoise. Add second enzyme batch now.
All tanks at 22,000 centipoise. Open valves to extrusion. Start with purple.
Violet batch for Nike Run, increase speed 5%.
Violet batch for Nike Run. Increase speed 5%.
Two millimeter exactly, guys. Keep the pearl shine, climb once full iridescence.
Reached. Keep speed.
Shift target reached. In Thea's 48,000 pairs today. Keep the purple line running.
Start line 1, depth 2 meters, go. Water on, pressure 60 bar. Cutting steady, good. Pulling now. Steady, steady. We are at 3 centimeters.
Left side down first. Suckers facing up. Good. Close the lid.
Line 6, speed up 2%. Keep sync.
Valves locked after start helium flow. 50 bar.
Sealing grid full on lines 1 to 8. Open section B now.
They're screen printing Nike and Red Bull logos on 48 giant octopus skin balloons. White by day, full glow in the dark at night.
2 passes white first, then glow here, keep it clean, no runs.
More swirl on
Line
this
12,
one, make it
slow down 1
trippy as
meter.
fuck.
Registration off by 2 millimeters. Fix it.
Valves locked. Start helium flow. 50 bar.
1.2 million units ahead of target. All lines stay hot. Fleet, next batch in 6 minutes. Let's go!
Ligne 14, monte de 5 degrés tout de suite. Il nous faut plus de brillance.
Tank 5, drop the arm.
Dropping. Contact.
Tank 8, add second enzyme batch.
Line 7, drop speed 2 meters.
Violet batch for Nike Run. Increase breeze speed 5%.
Batch KB047 clear. Move to warehouse C3. Next batch in 8 minutes.
Start line 1, depth 2 meters, go. Water on, pressure 60 bar. Cutting, steady, good.
Pressure drop on line 9. Check valve. Line 6, speed up 2%. Keep sync.
Watch out for the forklift on line 7.
We need more skins on line 12.
Clear this scrap now.
Suction ready. Open valve. Valve open. Go.
Two passes white first, then glow here, keep it clean, no runs.
Line 12, slow down 1 meter. Registration off by 2 millimeters. Fix it.
Next break.
39 tons 8.
It's unreal.
Bro, it sticks, but it doesn't stick. I literally can't undrop this thing.
It's unbelievable. Oh my god! I've never seen anything like this. The colors are changing. It looks like liquid gold up there. Ah! This is the best flight ever.
All boutiques are full. Products sold out in a few hours. Social new works are on fire.
That's a wrap, guys. 50-meter octopus, zero waste. Drop in the comments right now which crazy factory you want me to take you to next.